Okay, now I want to demonstrate you reverse tabletop, which is the number one thing I use for the stretch, to stretch my shoulders and for my clients, but it's also great for strengthening. So you will want to bring your feet slightly wider apart, and when you come up, you want to be in a tabletop position, so therefore you will see where your knees end up. Okay, inhale to prepare. You will bring that baby upwards, inwards around your waist, and then finishing the exhale, lift your hips upwards. Now we are holding it here, tightening up, squeezing your glutes and holding it here. And since it's hard to breathe through the belly, we are breathing through the rib cage, okay? Inhale, exhale. Keep squeezing your glutes, tabletop, so make sure your hips are not sunken down, but all the way up. Hold it there, hold it. Okay, you might feel in your hamstrings. Excellent. Looking straight down, don't look up, just straight down as if talking to somebody. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it down, release. Okay, we'll do it two more times. All right, I hope you're ready. Let's go. So inhale to prepare, belly relax. As you exhale, baby goes upwards, inwards around the waist, and lifting your hips up as we finish that exhale and holding those hips up. Keep squeezing your glutes, both hips, tighten your buttocks, tighten your hamstrings, your legs, stabilize yourself. You are the table that can't be taken down. Be that table, so hold it. Perfect, it strengthens your arms, everything. So this is not to stretch. Well, it stretches out as well, but this is just for strengthening and breathing through the rib cage. Of course, try not to talk, but try to do it while I'm talking, okay? Then you can focus on the rib cage breathing in this moment, and then slowly bringing it down and down. If you are in the late months of pregnancy, so 8 or 9, you might not be able to lift hips all the way up, but if you do, amazing. If not, you just keep them halfway up, yeah? So I'll demonstrate you this one. Inhale to prepare, exhale, belly goes upwards, inwards around, and bringing it halfway and hold it there. And that's also good. That's also good because you have a heavy baby right there, and you want to do what's best for you and your baby, and nothing that you can't do. You're not forced to do anything, okay? Hold it there, and for those all the way up, hold it there. Okay, keep holding it. Keep squeezing your buttocks, your hamstrings, everything. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring it down. And release. Excellent. Turning onto the side, and you can move to the next exercise. Ciao.